Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick little video to say that I've made a tiny little Christmas game that looks like this. It's called Elfin Liberation Front, or ELF, and it's a sort of light, retro-inspired 4X game with a Crusader Kings-inspired map system, a Puzzle Pirates-inspired battle system, and a little bit of Christmas festivity, along with a healthy dose of elfin working-class solidarity. It's free to play on itch, first link in the description if you want to try it out, but be warned I didn't test it nearly at all before releasing it, so think of it as something in a sort of alpha state, but if you want to volunteer as a playtester and give it a shot, comment some balance ideas, that'd be very welcome. If source code is more your thing, you can get that on my Patreon. It's more or less contained in a single 12,000 line C file. Anyway though, I hope you like the game, happy holidays, and see you in 2025.